friends, today we're here to talk about the anatomy of a doodle card. If you don't already know, the doodle cards are a modular colorwork system that allows you to mix and match your cards to design and knit your own custom pattern. And they all work because they have a 24 stitch repeat across all of the cards so that they're interchangeable both within their sets like Alaska here or within any other set within our doodle collections. But let's take a deeper dive into what is actually on each chart. So today we're going to look at this moose chart here. This is part of our Alaska doodle set. You'll see a couple key features here that are designed to help you out. First, we have a black border around our moose here. That is our minimum stitch repeat. You can see there are 2 mooses across our 24 stitches, which means you can actually use a 12 stitch repeat for this specific chart. If we turn the card this way and you look across the header, you'll notice that the first word is the name of the doodle set where it came from. This is the Alaska set. It's one of our destination doodles. The second word, moose, that is the name of this specific chart. And then the last bit here, 12 stitches, that's the minimum repeat that you can achieve with this specific chart. So as we talked about, this 12 stitch repeat in the bold line here is our minimum repeat for this chart. You'll also notice that there's a color-coded band at the top. This band is unique to each set, so you can easily identify and separate any of the sets that you're using if you're mashing them together. And then on the back, you'll see a custom illustration done by me, where we design a little bit of the motifs from the set into a bit of a scene with our cute little logo on the back. And this is just to give you the vibe of the overall set and also help you identify and separate the cards if you mix them up together. So anyway, this is what a doodle card looks like, and I hope that helps you out. Thanks.